Hey everyone, welcome back to Solution Guides. Today I'll show you how to transfer money from Coinstats to your Cash App account. First, log into your Coinstats account and check where your crypto is actually stored. Coinstats is a portfolio tracker, so your actual crypto might be on Binance, Coinbase, or other wallet. Next, log into your exchange where your crypto is stored, like Binance, and convert your crypto to Bitcoin since Cash App only accepts Bitcoin. This prepares your funds for transfer to Cash App. Then go to your spot account on Binance for smaller wallet and find Bitcoin and click Convert. Choose your current crypto like USDT, enter the amount and convert it to BTC. After that, click Withdraw next to Bitcoin. Paste your Cash App BTC address, select Bitcoin Network and send to funds. Finally, to get your BTC address, go to Cash App and click on Bank icon. Scroll to Bitcoin, then tap Deposit Bitcoin to find your Bitcoin wallet address. Copy it and use that as withdrawal address in your crypto exchange. And that's it. Now you'll be able to use your crypto funds on Cash App. If this helped you out, please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.